everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another stamp with me video. I have 3 more things I'm going to be making today. One is just a plain keychain, but honestly it kind of run out of ideas after a long amount of time, especially because I don't just want to keep showing you guys different keychains because, you know, you can Google that. But I do have a couple of interesting ones, so let's just get started. So I was going through my craft room, and as you find sometimes, I found this cute little picture frame for your tree. It's like an ornament, and it says 2017, and I don't even know if I have a photo to put in here from 2017. So I figured, why not just stamp a new little date blank. So we'll do that. The other one I'm going to be making is an anniversary keychain. This one's super cute. I'll show you that, and then I'm just gonna do a fun little keychain for myself, and we'll get into that. So let's get started. I figured since I haven't really chatted with you guys on my channel yet, we would make this more of a chatty one. So I'm just gonna be picking out my blanks. I'm gonna be using a 1/8" round, a bar, and a 5/8 blank. I'm not sure if this one's gonna work, but we'll try it. So yeah, I feel like I've been getting a lot of questions on my metal stamping videos, and I figured I would just kind of go into kind of how this all came about. So I got into metal stamping in 2020, I believe, at the end of the year, maybe like October. And I just found it and fell in love with the idea of it because I have always been crafting. My mom scrapbooked when she had kids, so it was just kind of always around. And when I saw that there was other crafts readily available at Michael's, because I only go to Michael's for scrapbooking, I was invested. So I went to Michael's and I picked up everything. It was buy one get one 50% off, which, if you don't know, the sale for metal stamping stuff is basically always you can always basically within like a month get them for at least buy one get one free. So I bought at the wrong time because I got everything 25% off when I easily could have got it 50% off. So it was a little bit expensive, but as I got into it, it was well worth it. I went to try and sell metal stamping stuff, and I just realized that in order to sell this kind of stuff, you would have to post on Etsy. It's just like not something people buy locally off of Facebook. And so in that, I kind of flopped on the whole selling portion of it, which honestly is fine. I then started my YouTube channel, which, oh, I rubbed it off too soon, which I have always wanted to do. I actually had a channel like, oh gosh, like 10 years ago when I was like in middle school. But anyway, that's beyond the point. I started my YouTube channel and I realized that so many people want to get into metal stamping, and I've had for a small creator, a lot of success through YouTube. So I actually took a break from trying to sell my stuff and just focused on making content related to it. And it's honestly been way less of a stress and more fun. So this next one is one that I have done before for myself. I made myself one of these as like a promo photo for when I was trying to sell my products. Now that I've taken a step back from that, I haven't made another one of these yet, so this is my second one. I did mine with the angled juniper like dash from the lowercase set, but today I'm going to be doing the little dots in between with this just dot from the latitude set, longitude latitude set. I don't know what it's called, coordinate set, who knows. But I'm going to, I think I want to start in the middle. forgot to grab my little heart stamp, so I'm just gonna go grab that because I like to put a little heart at the end, and I'll be right back. So this is just from Michaels. It's one of the bead landing ones that I think that they discontinued. I'm just gonna put the heart on. Put it kind of high by accident, but that's what's great about metal stamping, is it's just very unique. Okay, we'll take that one off. So yeah, that's basically how I got into metal stamping and YouTube. I actually literally started this channel because of metal stamping, because I always wanted a YouTube channel, I just didn't know what to make it about. And I love crafting, so that's why it's kind of migrated to more than just metal stamping. But so for the last one, I want to do a little plant mom one, and I picked this up quite a while ago and I just haven't been metal stamping lately. So this is the 6mm like leaf, I guess, I don't know, doesn't really say what the names are. And I'm going to be using the uppercase juniper, so the middle of plant is the A. I love these blanks. The only thing is they are very like easy to stamp. They're like so soft because they are food safe aluminum. So sometimes I accidentally hit it too hard. So yeah, as I said in my for beginners video, you would want to use a piece of tape to hold this straight. I'm kind of digging the vibe of it not being straight, so that's fine. And then I'm just going to take the leaf. I kind of want to do it, how do I want this? Like, I think I kind of want to do it like that. Okay, there's no way I'm lining that back up. Okay, well, I didn't hit it hard enough and I cannot line that back up, so hopefully it grabs the ink. But yeah, so I've been having a lot of fun replying to everybody's comments. I've gotten a decent amount for my views, so I would love it if you guys are into, really whatever you guys are into, just let me know in the comments what kind of crafting you do. Or if you have your own YouTube channel and you want to leave the link, I would love to watch your videos. For the anniversary one, I'm just going to use this. It's just a regular keychain. It's from Amazon. And for the plant mom, I'm going to be using this. It's just a mini split ring with a big split ring. And then for the charm, we're just going to hook it back on to where it was. So I just need to take this apart. I didn't bring any of my tools either. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I picked up a couple of my tools. These are just the bead landing ones from Michaels. I believe it was like $16 Canadian for the set of like 6. I'm just going to be opening up this jump ring and taking this tag off. We'll see how our tag came out. So here's how this tag turned out. The one looks a little funky, but I feel like once you get it on, you won't be able to tell. And now you have the exact same thing. You just changed out the date. The font I used is a little bit more casual than the other one, but I feel like that is just as cute. And then the next one is the anniversary keychain. I'm just going to take the tape off now. And I left the ink on for quite a bit longer than I would normally because I had to go grab my stuff, but this one's actually rubbing away quite nicely. Okay, so there's that one. This one is always my favorite. I think these come out so cute. So I'm just gonna pop the jump ring on, and then you're just gonna want to put the keychain onto the jump ring first as well, and then you can close her up. And there's that one. Super cute. This is gonna ruin my nails, but I'm gonna put the split ring on. And then once I have the little one on, that took so long, I'm just gonna pop the big one on. And there you go. You have 3 new ideas for metal stamping. Of course, the anniversary will always be my favorite personally, but I thought the other 2 were cute little ideas you guys can do. Let me know if you guys have any ideas for other people who are looking for this type of stuff in the comments below, or just send me a comment below really about anything. I love replying to you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.